of big waves you wouldn't believe if not on video. Number 5. A large rogue wave strikes this beach, but thankfully large rocks take most of the impact. Otherwise, these beachgoers would have had a really bad day.
Cycling in his wetsuits.
Number 4. A large wave of foam and salt blankets this South African town. Apparently, there was a large storm just offshore that created this surreal moment.
Okay, it's okay.
Look at the car, it's been smashed against the side.
It's okay. Relax.
Number 3. An almost 100-foot high wave crests over this ship in the North Sea.
Just got it! 20 seconds to go!
Number 2. What you are about to see was the largest wave ever surfed. The record was only recently broken. Number 1. Now this video doesn't quite show the sheer mass of this wave, because this is no normal wave. The Japanese Coast Guard sails over a tsunami moments before it makes landfall in Japan. These tsunami waves may not seem that tall, but they are incredibly massive and are significantly longer than normal waves. And so technically, these waves are the biggest and most massive that exist in nature.
高課長、ちょっとスピードアップしてさ、沖んでよ。
両舷前進
両舷前進スタート。水深はどれぐらい？もっと行こう。もっと深いところに。次のやつ来たらまたスピード落としてね。でかい。
両舷前進スタート。
沖に行くぞ、沖に。
両舷前進10度
両舷前進10度。
これはまた10メートルぐらいあるな。
両舷前進10度。
And here's a few more waves that didn't make the list.
I look who else. Last sector.